car is C-A-R-R, but of car is C-A-I-R-R. So car and car doesn't make as much of a difference with ours, but other sounds will change more. But ken sort car ta'agat is what sort of car that there is at you. Or what sort of car do you have? Okay, and you can still see that the have thing, you still have the ta and the egg and the car, just switched around a bit. What sort? So what is the sort of car that is at you? Is the way you ask, what sort of car do you have? Okay? But you have to be able to recognize the ta and the egg thing in there to know that this is saying some idea of having. Okay? And the word for what kind of car do you have, kentinyo kar ta'agat. Or there's another way to say it, kensais kar ta'agat. That's pronounced sais. They all kind of mean the same thing, okay? Sort or kind. And then you can say, say I have a new car, say ta kar nuagam. Okay, so there is car new at me. Okay? And so in English you have new car, in Irish you have car nua, so they're switched. Okay? Now, the word shan meaning old, you actually stick it in front of the word, and you change the word to put an H in there. So you say ta shanchar agam. Okay, shanchar is an old friend would be shamchara. Kara is friend, shamchara is an old friend. The word for grandmother in Irish is shanwahar, old mother. Okay, and grandfather is shanahar, old father.
Call my mom that.
Yeah.
You said once about old man is a strange.
Shanar.
Shanar. Oh, Shanar.
Shanar.
Oh, Shanar.
And you'll hear, and old woman, shanvan. Shanvan. Shanvan wacht, for old woman. You hear about that a lot, okay? Some Irish expressions go da-da-da-da-da, as says the old woman. Marajir and Shanvan wacht. Okay? Okay, now if you want to say I have a new one, instead of just saying I have a new car, you say ta kyan nu agam. Okay, so you just use kyan replaces car. That means a new one. Okay? Or I have an old one, ta shan kyanagam. So I might ask you, well, karagat, do you have a car? You can say ta shan kyanagam. Yes, I have an old one. Okay? Or I have a nice cup, ta kupan jasagam. Okay? Now, if you want to say that the cup is nice, you say ta and kupan gojas. So you have to use the go in there. Ta and kupan gojas. But if you just want to say a nice cup, then you say ta kupan jasagam. A cup nice. Okay? So you use the gojas when you're saying it is nice, but you use jas by itself when you say I have a nice one. Okay? Now, this is where your masculine and feminine thing comes in. So cups are masculine, so ta kupan jasagam, I have a nice cup. Glasses are feminine, so you actually have to, after feminine words, you have to put shevu on the word after it. So you say ta glina yasagam. Okay? So the reason it's yas instead of jas is because glina is feminine. So ta glina yasagam. Now, the word for house, chach, is masculine, so I have a big house, ta chach moragam. But the word funyog for window is feminine, so you say ta funyog war sachach. So funyog war is a big window. Okay? Alright? So, let's see. So, wargate. And we'll rocharagat. Okay, so I asked her, well, rocharagat, do you have a bicycle? And she says, ta, yes. Ken kama attire, so what's it like? Or ken dath attire, what color is that? I see a color on there.
Yeah, there it is. Ta. I don't know.
Say da and then the color.
Tada Goram Agus we.
Air. Yeah. Yeah. So da goram agus bui air. Okay. So you see so you see a blue and yellow bike speeding down the way with a girl with a monkey behind her. you know who it is. Okay. All right.
Wait,
Okay, so ta can so
monkey.
ken da ata air and monkey. So what color is on the monkey? Ken da ata air and monkey.
Tada Korkra.
Air. Ta da korkura air.
Purple?
So it's Carl Elephant Mandius Docha. So it's a friend of Mandy's elephant probably.
So you have a blue and yellow bike, red hair, and a purple monkey.
Right. Okay.
Somebody's trying to say that.
Okay, and we'll rocher ig ein din ella anseo. So does anyone else have a bicycle here? Yeah. Okay, ta. All right, ken da ata Aaron rocher. So what color is on the cycle? So the ta da and then whatever.
Glass.
Air.
Yeah.
So there. What you're saying, there is a green color on it. Let's see. So da gloss air. Okay. I guess we'll car again. Yeah, I'm sure. Does anyone hear of a car? Okay. I guess ken da ata de car Aaron chivin.
Tashe Goram.
Tashe goram or ta da goram air. You can say either one. Okay. Tashe goram or ta da goram air. I guess and we'll car goram again din ella ansho. So does anyone else here have a blue car? Ta. Okay. I guess then we'll. Okay. I guess and we'll monkey korkura again din ella ansho. Okay. All right. Neil again din.
How do you say too bad?
Farrier. Farrier last. Good expression to know.
Far over here.
Farrier.
Over here.
It's alas, too bad. Farrier. Okay. I guess then we'll car dove again then I'm sure. Yeah. Yeah, we'll car Jarek again then I'm sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, pian jarag again din ansha. Well, pian jarag. Okay. Ke ege will pian jarag. So who has a red pen? Garth. Okay. Yeah. You can always do ege. He does. Ta pian jarag e Garth. Okay, so Garth has a red pen, or ta pian jarag ege. Okay? Ege. Ege.
You can't say egg.
No, just ege. One time. Ta pian jarag ege. Ta pian jarag ege.
Just say egg Garth.
Egg Garth, yeah. You can say either egg Garth or ege. In other words, you either say Garth has it or he has it. Okay. I guess, and we'll pian glass again then, ansha. Okay. Ke ege will pian glass.
Egg muncher.
Okay, or you can say agatsa. Yeah. Egg agatsa. Yeah. Okay.
Got a green chip on her.
Okay. Okay. So I guess top pian glass. Margaret question. Okay. Now,